Now he decided to come back an hour later.
Doesn't sound.
Why didn't you ride where we could see and hear it instead of up the street? We have no idea where you went.
You get on the freeway with the
Hey, he said once past the stop sign, you got 4 blocks. No stop sign.
Yeah, straight here.
Well,
I didn't tell you to go to LA on a bike.
Dude, you only die once.
Get over here. What are you doing? Get your ass back over here. Let's go. What a dumbass.
run out of gas.
I can't hear a damn thing when you're going up the yard. I don't know where the hell you went to. You go down the street, I can hear it. I can't hear a shit when you're going somewhere else.
Hey, it runs really good.
No, it doesn't. It runs like crap. There's no exhaust on it.
Sure pulls hard.
It runs like crap. You don't know any better.
Clutch doesn't slip anymore.
So, put on his kickstand. What are you doing?
I'm enjoying it.
Enjoying it. I can't hear anything. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to rely on the customer's feedback. I'm lost.
Okay.
That's the stock exhaust.
Doesn't have to
Oh, that
have
one is?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you ordered some new exhaust. You just haven't put it on yet.
The muffler.
Doesn't work. What's going on with this thing?
Oh, you're going to keep it like that, huh?
Not blowing exhaust black out like it was. You're finally getting exhaust blown out because it's not so black anymore. Still a little
I
rich.
got on it good.
What's this piece of crap? Yeah.
Get out of the way.
Out of the way. What's he doing with my darn winches? Keeps hiding everything. He blows black smoke too.
Me? Oh, the panhandle.
The plug wire fall off yet?
What now?
Here, plug wire fall off yet?
No?
No, you took it.
I put that clip back on it.
This thing could use one of those high torque starters.
Probably.
See how fast my bike cranks over?
No, I haven't even heard it fired up. Yeah.
It sounds like it doesn't even get squeak at all.
Really?
I don't see no oil on this front plug, so
How about on the flange?
it's good. Fuel mixture looks good. I think it's a little rich on the main, but
I think it was just assembly loop.
Oh, when the first fire up?
I don't know. The new muffler's supposed to be here tomorrow.
And so you put dual mufflers on it, and it's just dualed out back there?
Just like this, just like this.
Yeah, well, if you're not going to go into a Y, you might want to have it up there because it'll stabilize the pipes a little bit. Just hanging out there by themselves. I don't know. And so the mufflers clamp on back here somewhere?
Yeah, so there's that bracket that they'll connect to the
you
back.
got it
look-
right
little
there.
bracket.
Supposed to look like
that's
that.
That stock configuration, or is it?
That's the
Except for
stock,
muffler
but the
wrap.
mufflers are Screaming Eagle.
Are they
Harley.
dual mufflers from stock?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, nice.
okay, so how to run it through the mid-range?
Like that, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
How did it run?
How's it running through the mid-range?
Tell you what, it pulled really hard compared to how it used to.
Well, it was stock before. It ain't stock anymore.
It was constantly on, just going, and pulling harder and harder until I had to let off.
You got scared.
I couldn't
Okay.
get into third gear.
Not in this neighborhood.
Down by the park was kind of, I had like 3 blocks to go there, but
Well, let Keenan ride it. He'll get in third gear.
I hit fifth going down the
How many
park.
gears you got on this thing?
I hit fifth going down the
if I
park.
could get on the freeway, I'd give you a better test on it.
What's mom want?
Uh-oh.
Johnny
Gotta
Long.
throw some water.
Mom's
Oh,
on
she gonna tell me I can take a shower.
You're gonna take a shower with that water? Or what water? No.
All right, well, take it down the street so we can hear it run.
Down that way.
that way.
Yeah,
He said after that stop sign you got 4
Do you
blocks.
think anybody would throw rocks at me like that?
I don't give a
No,
shit.
they're gonna throw fucking some pasta at you. Or a pizza.
I'm gonna come around this way. come back, come down.
Oh, it's not that
No,
bad.
Paul, start up, go on the street, and go down the block so I can hear you.
Yeah.
So I can actually hear it.
On this way.
Yeah. But he wants you to start it now before you back up.
What do you want? See that bus? That bus knows which way to go. Follow that bus.
Follow that bus. This beach runs all the way to Pacific Coast Highway now.
It runs all the way until you hit the park.
Oh, the park's in between.
Yeah, we get on until after the stop sign.
A lot of slow traffic. Why is the sun in my eyes?
Brakes work.
Oh great, he's got someone to follow.
Third.
He didn't run for squat and low. He either scared himself or something in low because he quit running in low. Yeah, whatever.
We got another block to go.
He had a whole lot of blocks to go. What'd he do? I don't know.
He probably ran out of gas. There's no gas in that bike.
It definitely ran like crap on the top of low gear. Got some carburation issues on top end. It's called roll it down and get after it. He got lost again. These damn stupid customers. All right, he's lost.